if it's all gonna go like this. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup project. Yay! All right, I'm gonna try another alcohol ink thing. I'm not calling this the waterfall or the rain method because there's no heat involved. This is just putting alcohol on a cup, letting it spin, seeing what we get. I'm going to try the rainbow today, which could be a little tricky. I don't know if you've watched some of my other videos, I'll link them below, where I do this same thing. But once I start dropping the inks on, they tend to move around the cup pretty quickly. So I don't know if I'll actually be able to get the ROYGBV thing in the right order, or if it's all gonna go like this. I am using Marabu inks today. This is a flat white spray painted tumbler. No resin is involved at this point. I'm going to flood it with alcohol. I'm going to put on the inks. We're going to let it dry as it spins. That's what I'm doing. My ROYGBV is Marabu's cherry red, red orange, metallic yellow, metallic green, whoops, wrong order, metallic blue, and metallic violet. And I don't shake these up to get the metallics, but I like the colors without the metallics in them in this particular type of situation with the flooded alcohol cup. So that's what I'm going to do. I wanted to show you this, plus I have my brass accents, which is Pinata brass alcohol ink, diluted 50% extra. So 2 droppers full of Pinata ink plus 1 dropper full of clear alcohol to dilute it a little bit. It just flows better that way. I'm going to take the tops off of these. I'm going to move them over here because I'm a lefty, but I figured you could see it better the way the camera and everything's set up right now. Here is my 91% isopropyl alcohol from Walmart that I'm gonna flood with, and let's just get this show on the road. All right, here we go. This flooding of the alcohol just gives the inks somewhere to travel around the cup. Whoops. Trying to keep it on the cup here. Okay, ROYGBV. I should have gone with my faster turner, huh? Wow. That didn't go right. Huh. Okay, that's all right. We're gonna keep going. I picked a slower turner because I didn't think it would matter, but it clearly matters. They're just not traveling around the cup as fast. Brass accents. All right. A little slow getting started, but it looks pretty good now. I'm gonna add a little more red in if I can get the flowage. I think I've got a blocked opening here. Okay, I'm gonna let this run. It should dry relatively quickly. I will bring you back when it's dried and we'll see what we have. Stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, this is dried. It is gorgeous. I mean, just beautiful. And I am now going to put resin on it. I have not sealed it. I'm not going to. I'm just going to put resin on it. I'm going to mix up 30 milliliters of KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV. And into that, I am going to mix Krewe Juice from Mr. Nola's Glitter. It is a fine, let's see, what does it say? Opal iridescent custom mix. I'm going to slather that on, and that should let all the colors continue to shine through, but add a lot of sparkle. We'll see what we get. I'm going to gear up and all that stuff. Just sit back and enjoy the show.